Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom townhouse is situated nearby the Rosemount Hotel in Montego Bay. It offers so many breathtaking views overlooking into the city and the mountains. The amenities includes a swimming pool and air conditioners in the rooms, porcelain flooring, grilled, fully fenced, and the land area is 2,500 square feet. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $175,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.